Hi, I'm Carla Ng, CEO of Abstract Displays, and I've been in this industry for 30 years. I've worked in this industry from the client side and as an exhibit partner to many companies that rely on the face-to-face industry. We all know our world has changed, but our clients have had to try and find a way and stay relevant and be in front of their audience. That's where we come in. We recreate your trade show experience by setting up your booth right here in our studio to bring your clients an interactive expo, keeping the human element at the forefront. This is not an empty virtual show of cartoon characters, no interaction, and landing pages. This is people talking to people. It's taking the trade show to your audience. With VidExpo, you can have Q&A sessions, dramatic reveals, interactive demos, and an immersive environment right in your own booth. Customize your events with live streaming, live product demos, photo shoots, and webinars. And for those working remotely, we'll send you a package of everything you need to elevate your presentation. Let's take a look at the metrics of this type of expo. Think about it. How often do you get to be in front of 200 people at one time at a show? This is not your typical boring virtual trade show. But hey, don't take our word for it. If you'd like to learn more about VidExpo, please contact us at videxpo.abstractdisplays.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for allowing us to provide VidExpo as your face-to-face event solution.